Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ピーマンのきんぴら. It's another very easy vegetable side using bell peppers. It's so easy that you can whip it up in 5 minutes. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this ピーマンのきんぴら, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 to 4 bell peppers depending on the size. 1 pack of Chikuwa Fishcake. 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce, mirin and sesame seeds, and half a tablespoon each of sugar and sesame oil. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So bell peppers. Cut them into half. Remove the seeds and the pith inside. Cut them into strips diagonally. Then Chikuwa fish cakes. Cut them into half. Then diagonal strips. Heat up half a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. And let's cook them until bell pepper is wilted. Try not to overcook it. You will lose the texture. Then the seasonings. Mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. Keep cooking for a minute. Turn the heat off, then sesame oil and sesame seeds. Give it a quick toss. And it's done! Super easy! Let's serve in the bowl. And ピーマンのきんぴら is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The bell pepper still has the texture and it's so fresh. The sesame oil and the sesame seeds add so much flavor to the dish and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. ピーマンのきんぴら is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Plain rice here, and your favorite miso soup here. Anything you like for the main, but how about umashio chicken? I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.